Here is our manufacturing facility. It might be a little noisy because there are a lot of activity going on. But I do want to show you some of things that we do back here. So one of the first things we do when we are manufacturing is that we have to cut the fabric. So I'm going to bring it back and to see the cut table. Here is where we lay fabric. We can take yards and yards and yards of fabric and lay it the right way. So you can see we have 8 or 9 yards of fabric and we are laying many layers. So if you want to make a run of 100 or 1000 garments, we are going to stack up those layers of fabric, so as you can see here. And then our workers will cut it according to the designer's pattern, like this. Next, I would like you to take a look at the process of heat transfer. Now first, you need to place the pattern in the designated place, like this. And then press the button. Now you can see the temperature. The temperature is so high, and you need to wait nearly 15 seconds. So that the pattern can be transferred to the clothes, like this. Wow, it's so cute. Now, as soon as the cloth is finished, we will take it to the workshop for our workers to sew it into clothes. So let's go, we will visit the workshop. So here is where we are producing the different garments. Now a piece of cloth needs to go through the sewing of the cuff, the sewing of the neckline, the sewing of the side, the sewing of the shoulder, and sewing of the pocket, and so on. And you can see our workers are sewing the different parts. After the clothes are sewn, we will iron the clothes. So let's go to see the ironing process. Our worker is doing the ironing, and you can see he will iron every part of the cloth and every corner of the cloth to make it very smooth. And you can see the clothes, they are so shining, yeah?